Well, hello there, and welcome to another Mark Makes video. In this video, I'm going to be restoring this lovely old bench. She's got a bit of character right now, and needs a little bit of work on it, so I'm going to be completely replacing all the timber. Going to be sanding back all the rust from this cast iron. This should be a fun little project. So first thing I'm going to do is just take this whole thing apart. I've already purchased all the hardware I'm going to need. I have this beautiful jarrah here, some primer and black paint for the cast iron, and brand new nuts, bolts, washers and screws. And that's the deconstructed bench. This comes apart pretty easily, and now it's going to be time to get all the rust off the cast iron. That's all the sanding and wire wheel done for this cast iron. So now it's time to give it some primer. So while this is drying, I've gone ahead and laid out all of these jarrah slats, measured them to length, so I can go ahead and cut that. Pre-drill all the holes. A sand as well. Ready for varnish. The front piece and also the top one, bought them with a rounded edge on one side, so that's going to be for the top and where your legs hang over. The rest were square edged, and I've just sanded those edges just to make them nice and smooth. On this side, everything's dry and ready for a coat of paint, and on this side, all these slats are prepped for varnish. Alright, this is 2 coats of varnish later, and also 2 coats of black paint. Now, it's going to be time for assembly. That's all the slats on. So the only thing I have left now are the 245 bracings, 2 bits that go underneath the bench. So what I'm going to do now is just tip the bench upside down and put them on. And here we are, a couple of days later, all finished.